This week in Congress, my colleague Scott Tipton of Colorado and I were able to get passed a bill that would allow for hydropower water projects, very small in scale, in Wyoming on 121 sites, that it would allow for jobs, clean energy, and do it with streamlined regulatory processes, getting out from under the duplicative regulation that is preventing us from creating clean energy and jobs on a small scale in Wyoming and in Colorado and other states in the West. This common sense legislation passed the House this week. It's headed for the Senate, and we're hopeful that our colleagues from the West in the Senate will be able to shepherd this through Congress so we can expedite the application of small hydropower water projects on Bureau of Reclamation canals to an additional use, clean energy in the West, as well as providing that water to the ultimate end user. For this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lummis.